Hey, welcome back to yet another low quality video brought to you by none other than my features themselves. Whoa, that is... sorry. Anyways, so, playing in plain sight because... why not? Let's see... So I haven't played in a while, but I was in my inventory. And my internet is... oh. Skins do I have? Okay, so the default... Tony... Shelly Skin, Speedy... I have... Statue, Shadow... Scrooge, and then Mr. V, and I have nothing else. Okay. Should I purchase something else? That's a lot of money. You know, I'll do pick a card. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, or 4. This one. See what I get. Whoa. Whoa! Nice. Oops. Okay, can't turn on the sound because I'm pretty sure one time I turned it on, got a copyright claim, and was too lazy to edit that out because it took a little too long. Okay, no, but the fan art for this game is actually really nice. Well, honestly, these are all really good. I don't get how people are able to do it. Okay, the next round is almost starting. Wait, where's map vote? Forgot where that was. Okay, it's on the other side then. Where? Wasn't this the map vote area? Sorry. The place changed, I think. I think it got updated, pretty sure. Camped as camera. Oh. Okay. Like, no map vote then? Okay. Okay, look at the updates. Major rewrite, new mission system, new emerald and ruby skins, crawling while down, that's nice, bug fixes and rebalancing, and so much more. Let's join the Discord server to learn more, as it says over there. That's the obvious. Anyways, I think if you go AFK for too long, that's no good, obviously. Yeah, I was planning on making like a new avatar, but I do not have the Robux for it, so I'm not gonna. Oh, that's cool. Okay, well, everyone's picking mansion. Pick an entrance. So go from there. No one's gonna be at the right window. And I'm on Team Thieves. That's nice. Who are the... oh, I didn't get to see who the cameras were. So that's... oh, never mind. Saw who both of them were. So I'm pretty sure tomorrow's Thanksgiving. I'm not sure. Loading in NPCs. Rather pretend to be an NPC. Hello, good sir. Good sir, ma'am. Okay. Can't turn. Okay. Whoa. Just gonna take this chair right here. Oh, I need to turn on sound because then I can hear the camera coming. The camera? Hear the camera. Whoa. Sounds really close. Oh, that's a camera. It's a nice camera. Hey, would you mind as to leave now? Please. I am an NPC. As you can clearly see. Whoa. Please, I'm an NPC. Please. Please leave. Uh-oh. Someone's getting like please leave. Oh, someone's. I can't tell if it's safe to go revive them or not. Please stop being so fast. Please leave. Please, someone. Oh, they got revived. Never mind. Okay. Oh nah. Please. What's happening? Let's take those. Revive, revive, revive. Live, live, live. Breathe. Yes. Hey. Oh. Anything can steal here? Stealing is bad, children. Don't do it. Can I steal this table? Can I steal that? Yes, I can. I'm doing a really bad job. The noise of the cameras are making me scared. Please. Oh, someone else is reviving. I think I just heard a camera. Why do so many people need reviving? Wait, hold up, I need to go. Why are they all on the second floor? Oh, that's where all the cameras are. They're like, hey, I'm just your average NPC, just trying to live. Trying to live my life. Please go away. Steal the Lord. Ooh. They didn't see me. They didn't see me. Or are the people that need reviving, or are they already all gone? Go. I'm down. I was so close. Hey, you, please. No, don't leave, please, help me, please, thank you. Oh, run. Can't get me here now, can you? Go. I escaped. Made barely any money though, so that's kind of sad. But it's fine. That was 9 minutes? Dang. Just waiting for the rest of the crew. Is my screen frozen? Oh, nope. Okay, let's see who got caught. Okay, this guy didn't wipe. What? Didn't wipe what? You know what, whatever. Wet their pants. Okay. This is my favorite part about this game. Uses arrow cheese and wait, is it cheese? Anyways. Whoa! I made some of the least money, but it's okay. Cause at least I still made some money. Okay? Oh, red. Okay, no, not red. I have like a footage of me and one of my friends playing this game, but took it down due to copyright. And because it took too long. Get rid of it. If I took this would be my favorite fan art. One of my favorites. Actually, they're all really good. This one's also really nice. Oh yeah, that one. Okay. Police station. I've never seen the police station before. Is that new? I'm not sure. I haven't played the game in a while. Okay, entrance. Hello, privacy. Oh, no. Okay, garage then. I'm gonna go to the window. Okay, so those are the cameras, and I'm a thief again. Nice. This video is gonna get taken down for copyright unless I keep talking, and hopefully that works. I'm scared that I'm gonna have to like take down this video and make it private again because of copyright. Hello, good sir, ma'ams. I'm going through the back window. I think. The window. Regular window. I'm gonna start taking things. It's a lovely little couch there. Mind if I have it? Can I take the cab? I can't. It scared me. Yeah, I'm taking the donuts. Taking that plate too. I am so sick. Why does it sound like it's that scared me. Okay, there are no cameras in the bathroom. There are no. What was that? That look sounds very intimidating. I can. Yes. Very scary. Okay, what else can I take from the bathroom? Take chemicals? Can I take the toilet? I can take the toilet. Oh, cameras in here. Cameras in. Oh, that's good. Can take toilet, okay? I know, right? I take this? I take that. Camera now. I think I can do something to like mess up the cameras. Bro, that sound is gonna be haunting me in my sleep. Gotta be careful. Oh wait. Some guy needs reviving. There's a camera. My guy. I'm sorry. It's a very scary role. It's, I mean, not like scary, but like, it's very stressful for me. I can barely stand still. Can't expect my robot character to stand still when I can't stand still. That's kind of unreasonable. Why is it so cold in my room? Anyhow. Can't take that. Take the mug though. Can I take that? No, I can't. Can I take that? Hey, buddy! Kind of very close by. Where is... Oh, wait, I can't... Where are these... Oh, they're both here. Hey. Nice to see you. Oh, they both are. stupidity. Hey, it's good. Just your average NPC. Guys, I can't. I made it out, barely making any money, but it's okay. It's been a while since I played the game. It's been a while, and I'm really bad at the game, so. I'm pretty sure Thanksgiving's tomorrow or something. I think I said that earlier. So happy Thanksgiving to anyone who celebrates it. Because, oh, no one got caught. Because of my massive, anyways, because of my massive brain, I don't know, I barely know any other holidays except for like the really major ones in the US and stuff, so, I know, my brain is just so big, like, use 20 abilities, steal 800 items, steal 100 items, play 5 rounds. Swears in a day or two. I might be posting something tomorrow, but it won't be related. But it might not be related to Thanksgiving. Probably won't because I really. Ooh. I like the bank. I like the bank. The bank is nice. And I like the fire exit. I've played some of these. That confused me. Okay, so those two are the cameras, and I'm a thief again. Nice. I'm gonna try to steal more, but how like some people talk about like fight responses. Yeah. Hello, good sir, ma'ams. Yeah. Well. Yeah. I have. If you couldn't tell, my response to danger or stress is to immediately be running away. Hey, I called dibs on the chairs. What are you doing? What happened? I cannot see. Can't see what is happening right now. I'm gonna clear out this area. How does someone already need reviving? Oh. Hello. Hi. Hey, you don't see me. I'm just your average little NPC trying to live my normal NPC lives. Such as my fellow NPCs. Please leave. Thank you. Like, it's still there. Thank you, good, kind sir, ma'am. Hey, I've always been here, remember? Yeah. Oh, Lord. Hey. Oh, God. Hey, watch out. Buddy, watch out. Can't get me. Can't get me. Can't get me. Can't get me. Revive. I meant to revive them. Revive. Live. I give thou life. There are more in need of life. Hey. There's a meeting in 20 seconds. It was good. You know how I came to save you? Well, I kind of failed. Hey, Buster. I'll be back. I promise. Okay. So you know how I said I promised I'll be back? Well, that was kind of false. I'm sorry. I'm just so good at the game. Whoa, you're so good at the game. Like, wow, what door? Oh, that's the type of camera. Hey, I wanna see where's the camera shop? Oh, camera shop. There we go. No, what do I have in my inventory? I have nothing. I only have the defaults. Let's spend some money. Hello. Yep. Welcome. Please pick one. Milk. You picked. Oh, that looks cool. Let's go to my inventory and change that. Yeah, that looks nice. I like that. The camera angle can be changed while reloading. Nice. Okay. I'm gonna spectate. Whoa. That was... Whoa. Oh. Dang. No. One person down. Honestly, being a camera is kind of bad because like the controls are somewhat messed up. At least from my past experiences. Whoa. Run. Dang. They escaped. Wait, I could have just blurred the camera. I keep forgetting that I have those things, that special ability stuff, and then like I don't use it, and then sad, cause it's really helpful. Like one other, oh, the heist has ended. Oh, didn't share. Hey, sharing is caring. Borrowed too much. Where did I get brown from? Whoa, jaywalking probably. Dang. Went straight for the vault. That's mine. Running in the halls. You know what? I do admit, today I speed walked in the halls. Yep, I speed walked. I didn't walk, I speed walked. Because if I didn't, I would have been 1 second late to class. And that speed walking is me getting to class on time is much more important because I'm not risking 5 points off my grade for being 0.1 seconds late to class. So I rather speed walk in the halls. I'm sorry, but it's true. I'm sorry. That's a mansion. I'm not picking the police station though. No, you know I stick by my answer. Yeah. Helipad. Helipad. Can I go there now? No, I want... No! I don't want the garage. I wanted the helipad. Oh, camera. Let's see. I think it said in the update some selfish bugs were fixed, I think. I don't remember what it said. But hey. Okay, camera time. I'm kind of bad at being camera, so. Oh look, some people from my friends list. And me. Okay, let's go. Locating robbery. Verifying insurance. Warming up lasers. That's important. Activating cameras. Wait, how do they get the lasers onto the cameras? Is it just like built in like that? Wait, how do I change? I don't know how to change. Wait, I don't know. I genuinely don't know how to change. Okay, wait. Okay, figured it out. I remember now. I had to right click. Hello, any robbery going on here? An armory. Any little fellas here? Where's that? Where was that? I saw someone. Oh well. Can't go. It won't let me go. Okay, there we go. What do you mean I've been zapped? Why is the cooldown so long? Aim is so good. Why is the cooldown so long? Please, just let me do my job. I'm gonna get fired. What was that? That was the kitchen. How have I been zapped? This is more confusing than my mind. Hey, where? Why am I so good at this game? What do you mean discount? Oh. Hello, any people here? I don't have photographic memory, so that means music. I can't go. Dang it, I'm so good at this. I don't know where okay. Please tell me this is the right area, please. It's not the right area. Where is that? Where is that? I am so confused. What? I can't move. I can't move my screen. Why is this so confusing? Where'd they go? The cooldown! It's the cooldown. If there wasn't a cooldown, I'd tell you I'd be making millions. Please. Why am I losing money? Why? Alright, I'm being robbed. That's why. Where is that? It's all messed up. I can't. Why is my aim so bad? I don't care. Give up. I hate my job. I hate my job. I quit. You know what? I'm gonna go to the conference room and tell my boss I'm quitting. Whoa! Okay. That was all my teammates' work. Survivors tips. Yeah, that was all my teammates. How? What? I've lost money. I physically lost money. They were physically robbing me. I don't think I like this game that much anymore. Just kidding. It's a good game. I like this game. Sure. Where are the leaderboards? Yeah, bug fixes. Where are the leaderboards? Oh, these are the leaderboards. this server. Whoa, I'm one of the worst ones. A mansion. Oh yeah, I like the map. Our nation's finest. Right exit. Oh no, this one's our favorite. The right, whatever. That was my favorite map too. To like be a thief in my favorite map. I made so much big money from that map, and it's already been 40-ish minutes. Why? I just wanted to be a thief in my favorite map and be happy and gain money. And oh wow, look, more friends. I just ooh, shiny. God, I found a shiny thing on my desk. Whoa. Why is it so nice and shiny? I'm sorry. By the way, if you hear no. It almost fell off my desk into the abyss. Okay, well I know where I'm going. Where is it? I don't want to go to. I'm gonna go to that lobby. Hear background noise, and I'm sorry. Can't really control it. Where's the fire exits? Those are my favorite places. Anyone in the jewelry store? Please. You may have fog, but I can't believe you've done this. I'm gonna go back to the jewelry store. They've escaped. Okay, blame your glitchy. They've escaped yet again. What to do? Pick. Oh, what? Nothing I can do. Hey, buddy. I know they're hiding in there. What about to the pet store? Oh, they're already down. Never mind. I accidentally kept clicking. Never mind, those are NPCs. My TV is so good, and I can't even get one person. Let's go to the clothing store. Anyone here? Please make my job easier. I just need money. Wait. What's good? Bruh. You kidding me? I hate when that happens. What the heck is that? Lobby. I think we got him. Bro, I think we got him, bro. My guy. You will never get to the exit. I'm sorry. Whoa! Didn't floss! Weird username. Okay. Just plain. Okay. Wrong place, wrong time. Dang, hate when that happens. Whoa! Broke up. You never break promises. Okay? Don't break your promises. Missed curfew. I mean, I can't really be talking. Supports capitalism. Because of my high IQ, I don't know what capitalism is. I'm sorry. Whoa! Thank you, teammate. Thank you so much. Give me to steal items. You know? In order to do this. I barely play this game anymore. Whoa. Not this one. Museum. Okay. Now, you like the other map that we did before. I really liked it. Back window. Thank you. Thank you. I'm a thief again. Don't be a thief in real life though, okay? Stealing is bad. Yeah. Stealing is bad, and I have to try to keep talking. So, copyright. Yeah, no. Yep. Yeah. What am I going to say next? No one knows. Okay, we're going. Hello, good sir, ma'ams. Ma'am, sirs. Answers. What's good, bro? Oh, hey. Lightning path. Badge. Steal. What was that? Hey, my guy needs surviving. We'll take it. Please, I just let me grab it. It's not letting me grab it. Like, it's physically not letting me grab it. Haha. My brain is far too humongous. You know? My brain is just, it's physically just let me take these skateboards, okay? My dream to have these skateboards. Yep, you're gonna really ruin my dreams. And I thought you guys were supposed to be good. Take this. No. Someone is reviving. Should I go? I'm gonna go. Haha! Haha! Please. My cooldown. Aha! Oh shoot. No, I took all the stuff. Okay. It's fine. Ooh. Ooh. Almost got caught. Hey, just another NPC, you know? You're a local NPC. Please. Take those. Money bag, oh yeah. That was just sad. Hey, someone help me. Please, you help me, I'll help you. Please. I promise, hey. Hey, please, hey, I'm over here, please, help me, I'll help you, I promise, I promise, if I remember your username, and I see you're down, I will help you, hey, please, I have money, I have $500 in here, you gotta revive, okay, whatever. Supports capitalism, okay. Don't know what that is because of my immaculate brain. Public indecency. I remain decent in public. Didn't donate to charity. The hands are covering it. Sorry. Weird username. Not really. And then what's stealing ATM? I in fact did not steal an ATM. That is a lie. Lying is bad. I don't want more cameras. Let's see what camera I can get. Hello, agent. Hello to you. Welcome. Please pick one. Jello or pudding? I've never really had Jello, so. Whoa, that one actually looked really cool. Oh well. I've never really had Jello before in a while, actually I technically have, but I mean, I don't know how to describe it. It's like both. I'm a mixture of both. I don't know what that's called. Mansion. Actually, no, wait, mall. I love the mall. I love this map. I think. Yes. This right here, the right fire exit, my favorite one. My all-time favorite exit. Why? I don't know, I just love it a lot, you know? Just really like that lovely little exit. You know, yeah, I have to keep talking or else copyright might appear. Even if I keep talking, copyright probably still will appear. Probably gonna end this video soon after this match. Round, not match, round. Hello, good sir ma'ams. Oh, whoa, we have the same skin. Cool. Nice. Hi. I call dibs on that specific. Yep, I call dibs on. Yep. Making big money right here. Can I take that, please? Please. It's not letting me take the TV monitor. Let me take the monitor. Let's be closer to it. I have to be closer to it, that's fine. I can't. Gotta steal that stove. Worth a lot of money. Can't really steal anything else. Hey, somebody's reviving, I think. Where? I think that's just a color or something. Oh wait, no, someone did revive me. Did. I think someone revived them. See, I love this area. Notice how there wasn't a camera appearing yet. I feel like a camera's gonna appear right as I say that. Gotta constantly check up. Oh wow, how convenient. They just left. Right. Someone upstairs is reviving. Now we got a chair. It scared me. Whoa, wait. Take that. Please. Take the industrial cooler. I'm just gotta be on the lookout. Keeping an eye on the cameras to see if they're gotta react to every noise. That scared me. Bro, I got you. I got you, bro. I don't got you. I don't got you. Hey, please, I saved you. Please, no, you traitor. Please come back. Come back. Come back. Thank you. I'm sorry I called you a traitor. I was overreacting. I'm so sorry. Thank you so much, kind sir, ma'am. Oh my lordy, lord. Thank you. What? I still had money on me. I could, oh, whatever. I'm sorry. Overreacting's fun. Also, my voice changes when I do entertainment enough. Oh, just, if I could have survived a few more seconds, I could have. Anyways, before this video turns on into an hour, I'm gonna end it all right now, even though it's been 48 minutes. So,